And so the connection with the Catholic Church, I'm kind of interested if you could talk a little more about that. The Catholic Church has, the very first credit union in North America was, created within the church parish. So what has that relationship been like?
We have been working with them very closely. Actually, we were in their basement when we started the credit union, while they were, putting everything together to open the branch. So they lent us that space. Also, it has been a key pillar for us on referring and helping us grow the credit union. The bishop, he was part of our board for, 5 or 7 years. And that also helped us spread the word around the state, to make sure that all the people that went to the Catholic Church knew that we were there to help the community and serve them. Nowadays, we still have that very close relationship with them. We go to, after the Mass, we go there, we have our information desk there, we have a very close relationship with each of the parishes, and it has been key in the growth of the credit union, definitely.